Martha Stewart was in a New York courtroom on Tuesday. She's being sued by Macy's. Since 2007, Macy's has sold Martha Stewart household items like pots and towels. But recently, Stewart signed a deal with JCPenney to also sell her merchandise. Macy's says that by doing that, Stewart is breaching the exclusive contract they had to sell her products.
Basically, they're going to be portraying her as this greedy, selfish woman who went behind her friend's back, this is Terry Lundgren, Macy's CEO, to come up with a deal that she thought would, benefit her company.
Macy's CEO Terry Lundgren says he and Stewart used to be good friends, but they haven't spoken since the JCPenney deal. Stewart is ready with her defense.
Martha Stewart feels that her defense is that she had every right to breach the contract because she feels that Macy's didn't do as much as they should have to bolster the brand at the Macy's department store.
Stewart is also expected to argue that the sales of her merchandise at JCPenney are stores within stores, which she says are allowed under the Macy's contract. Her company, Martha Stewart Living Omnimedia, has had 5 straight years of financial losses, although her household items are still profitable. The CEO of JCPenney, Ron Johnson, is also testifying in the case. That company has had big losses and sales declines for the last 4 quarters and is trying to turn around its fortunes. Ted Shaffrey, Associated Press, New York.